I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fit and prescription. This matters because pressure distribution must be even. Put on the liner and adjust straps so the mask sits snug, not tight. Once done, connect tubing and run a short leak test. Listen and feel for airflow escape. Make sure seals contact skin uniformly. Small gaps cause pressure loss. If your model has a pressure dial or digital readout, set it to the prescribed starting value before continuing to longer use. Now you focus on dialing in comfort and function. Adjust straps one notch at a time so you reduce leaks without pinching. Watch skin under the seal for blanching or redness, and check your device's pressure readout for stability. Once stable, lie in your usual sleep position and monitor for shifting. Make micro adjustments to the forehead and cheek pads as needed. If you use humidification, set it low and increase slowly. Condensation affects seal. Finish by running a full wear trial of at least 1 hour, confirming no significant leaks or soreness. Make a checklist: nightly cleaning, weekly deep inspection, and cushion replacement per manufacturer guidance. If you encounter persistent leaks, reseat the mask while upright, swap to a different cushion profile, or contact your supplier for an alternate size. One key troubleshooting tip: if skin irritation appears, lower pressure briefly and apply a thin protective barrier. Then consult your clinician before resuming full therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.